Welcome to Techies Hobbies. So today is another unboxing video. It's an unboxing of an Invicta watch. Yes, you heard it right. So I have bought another Invicta watch, but this time I have sold one of my Invictas and I got another Invicta as a replacement. So why did I do that? Because the one that I had was already pretty good. I mean, I have two Invictas and they are really nice watches, but I found something really special and unique, which has the Invicta characters, but still it fits my wrist. So I thought, why not? I want, something unique in my collection that really stands out. So this is going to be one watch which is going to be rare. Definitely among the Invicta collectors, this is like a collector's item, and it has some specific characteristics that makes it really stand out. So let's unbox and see what it is. All right, as you can see, this is a big box. So let's open it without wasting any time. So this is sent, I bought this from Invicta collector. His name is Rishi, and he has an Instagram page through which he is selling these watches. So yeah, I will share the link in the description so you guys can check out his. Also, he's done a very awesome packing, I would say. This is like double protection. So this is one cardboard, and inside that is another one with all the packing. So you can see it has already gone for, with one. I would usually do only this much if I am selling, but this guy has gone one step ahead and packed it really well. Okay, so this is the second layer of packing. All right, and there you go. So this cardboard box of Invicta, I've not seen this before, because my like Invictas usually come straight away in this box, but this one has that box inside, and it's a bigger version of the usual box. So if you compare, it's like a bigger version than this. So yeah, let's see. It's bigger because the watch might also turn out to be a little bigger. Let's see. Let's open it. And here you go. The watch is already revealed. So yes, this is the watch I'm talking about. It's special because of the iridescent body. You can see that the watch has an iridescent body, which is very unique for an Invicta. It's a characteristic that is only seen on Invictas. So yeah, and it has an Abalone dial. So the dial matches the body, but this dial is also very unique. It has this Abalone dial. So this I have only seen in Arrogance and in Invictas, mainly in Arrogance and Invictus. So this makes this watch really stand out. It's like, it's like a what should I say, a radioactive sort of a thing. And okay, so I can see that this watch is brand new because the still wrapping on the crystal, which is really nice. And also the tag is there. Okay, and let's open it and see. All right, so the links are already, looks like the links have been already sized because the extra links are here. So that's good. I think his wrist is almost like mine. So let's see how the fitting is. All right, so it's like it fits my wrist, maybe one link less. So this is how it looks. So I'll just show it again on how the watch is looking. So I would say it looks very special and not like any watches that I have. So yeah, This is what's special about the watch. So, talking about the watch, this is a Grand Diver. I already have a Grand Diver, and it's a very similar watch designed to my existing Grand Diver, but it's a different shade altogether. So, let's take out my Grand Diver and just compare it and see how it is. The Grand Diver, and you can see it's very similar. Okay, first I think I need to remove this coating on the watch, the wrap. I'll carefully remove it. Yes, it's coming out. Okay, it's out, and now you can really see the beauty of the watch. So, see, this is very similar in size, and okay, Grand Diver and Grand Diver, it's very similar in terms of what the watch is, and but it's so different to it. See, this one has a super luminova, which is the whole loom turns blue, but this, the dial is what makes it stand out really, and also the the color of how this iridescent color makes it really stand out. So as you can see, both are very similar models. They both have the NH36, or no, sorry, NH35 movements from Seiko, and but the rotor is branded as Invicta again. So that's what, and but rest of the watch similar unidirectional bezel, and it also has a date, with the cyclops magnifying it. So yeah, so this is one watch that you need to check in sunlight to see its real beauty. So you can see it reflects, various colors, and it's really nice. And see the beauty of the Abalone Dial. It's like something like, it gives a mermaid sort of vibes, the dial. Yeah, and overall I really like how it wears on my wrist. It's perfect. The size is also perfect. So I hope you guys like the video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.